Hi, my name is Miley Labasan, creator of It's Not Just Yoga, a yoga plus emotional health and well-being program designed for the busy individual who wants to use tools from yoga, psychology, mindfulness, and neuroscience to improve their everyday life. So today I would like to introduce you to what we call the yoga strap, and this is a yoga technique. We can use this as well as we're walking around the house, sitting at the desk for computer, picking up the kids, maybe even driving. Although we don't want it to be too tight and restrictive if we're driving. Safety is always first. So if you've been in my yoga class, we've done this before. It's very simple, but it's very easy to get confused and make it more complicated. So this is for all of you who have been to my class and all of you who may be coming or wanting to use this at home. Heart opener. As we know, when we open up that heart area, the chakra area of Anahata, beautiful green color, this is our joy source. This is our energetic self-acceptance source. So when we can keep that nice tall posture, our heart is open and we lead with love. So the first step is we take the strap behind, right behind the heart, where if you do wear a bra, that bra strap would be. It's also right behind the nipples. Okay? Now, very simply, we flip this over the shoulder. Flip it over the shoulder. Okay, don't crisscross. It's straight back, right over the shoulder. Third step, now we crisscross behind. Crisscross behind. Okay? Now as we pull in a diagonal, do you see how the shoulder blades reach toward one another? It brings my shoulders back automatically. Gives me feedback. Then we buckle underneath. Okay? And you get to make this as tight as is comfortable for you. Okay? Most times when we do open up the chest, we can feel like we can get a bigger breath here. But if it's too tight, you will find that it is a little more restrictive for that breath. Okay? You can type. You can do house chores. It will improve your posture, and as I explained in a previous video, posture has so much to do with our emotional health and well-being. It really informs our nervous system, how we're doing, how we're feeling, and that tall open posture helps to minimize the stress response. It helps to prevent us from going into fight-flight. So, to recap, it's 4 steps. The first step is the strap goes behind. Okay, so I'm going to unwind here. And that'll also help teach, right, with the unwinding. Unwind, uncross, take it off of the shoulders, and here it is. Okay. Step 1, right behind the back. Step 2, flip it over. So you see how quick this is. Step 3, now you crisscross and back. Step 4, bring it around the front. Have your strap, go about the rest of your day, or use it in a yoga class. Now, this is proprioception. That's from neuroscience. Anytime I start to hunch my shoulders, I get a little bit of pressure here, and it reminds me to open that up so I can create room and space in the body. I hope you enjoy this. If you want to learn more, please come visit me. I can be seen on mileylabasan.com. My classes are there, upcoming workshops, upcoming retreats. You can come find me for yoga, for stress relief. And I have some mini wellness workshops coming up in March that I'd love to see you at. You have a wonderful day.